Hey YouTube, it's Mr. Shadow 1969. I'm coming to you from Royal Caribbean's Jewel of the Seas. I'm in my stateroom right now, and people often ask me, can you trust your stateroom attendant? Well, let's check it out. Got another gimbal here. My waterproof camera, Bluetooth speaker, iPad, got my 17-inch laptop, my camera gear, it's a Nikon D7500. Go ahead, Google it. Big 500mm piece of glass there. GoPro camera. I leave all this stuff out. It is always still there when I come back. And I accidentally left that out too. Yep, Milton, my stateroom attendant, good man. He never touched any of it. Yep, I leave all my toys out. Never had a problem. Hopefully, I never will. This is Mr. Shadow 1969. I'm on Royal Caribbean's Jewel of the Seas. Hopefully you like this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it. And also, if you haven't already, please subscribe. I appreciate that too. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And hopefully I'll get to see you on board soon. Have a great day.